Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have my two Surfaces. This was the Surface 3, and I upgraded to the Surface Pro X. It's a 13-inch screen. I forget what that one was, maybe 10-inch or something like that. But anyway, I forgot I had a pen with the Surface, and this is actually it's a case that actually has a pen holder on it. And so when I got my pen, I was like, oh, how come it doesn't work? I always thought I had like a magnet to it or something, but the battery died. So if you have this one, it has like the edge on it, the flat edge, and it has a clip on it. So what you do is you take the flat edge and you have it pointing towards you. Have this off to your left, and you want to twist the cap slightly towards you, and then you want to basically pull it apart, and you got to kind of wiggle it a little bit, but it'll pull apart. And then mine still has the little battery flag on it, so it basically tells you it's a quadruple A, and that's the old battery. So what you do is you pick yourself up a pack of quadruple A's. I got these Duracell ones here, and basically just get your battery out, and then we take the flag part again. And then, your positive side is going to go towards the top of that. And then you get your pen body. And then you are kind of like sliding it in nice and easy. And then, again, keep the tip to your left. And then you'll kind of like feel that little spot in there. You got to wiggle it a little bit. Then it'll snap together. And then you just turn it. And then your pen works again. So really quick and easy on how to replace that. So this is I got when the Surface 3 was available. This is obviously the Surface Pro X, and this older pen works on it very good. So just give you an idea, it's the one that's got that little clip on it, and there's really no buttons, even though this has a kind of like a button here at the end, if you can kind of hear that snapping back and forth. But anyway, yeah. So that is my my pen, and hopefully your pen working again. And I'm going to actually put it back up here on the holder. And going on vacation tomorrow. So anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching. And yeah, that's how you replace your battery on your Surface Pro or your regular Surface. All right, be safe out there.